はい、こんにちは、あすこ先生です。Hi, I'm あすこ先生, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about rain. Yes, do you like rain? Okay, so let's build up your vocabulary related to the word rain. So in Japanese language, rain is ame. Can you write kanji of ame? Let me show you. Here. I love these dots. Yes, so it represents, rainy raindrops. Yeah, so these are drops and then this is ame. Okay, and then in Japanese language, ame is rain. And then maybe in English you can say it's rainy, but we don't say like that. We say ame desu. So this is noun sentence. It's rain. Okay, yeah. And then when we use verbs, for example, now it's raining. In this case, 雨が降っています。Yes, 雨が降っています。So it means it's raining right now. Yes, 雨が降っています。And then this part is 定 form and then います。Yes, so it means it is raining. Doing this action right now. Yes, if it already happened, it was rainy. Yes, in that case we say 雨が降りました using past tense. Okay, and then 降ります means fall down. Yes, so rain falls down. 雨が降っています is rain are falling down. Yeah. So that this is the way we say. Okay, and then 降ります this 降っています we use mainly 雨 rain or snow 雪. Okay, and do you know Japanese onomatopoeia? It represents some sound or actions, how things are moving. So for example, if the rain is soft and subtle, soft rain, 雨が降っています。We can add here, okay? 雨がしとしと降っています。雨がしとしと降っています。It means rain is subtly, gently, calmly falling down. Yes, okay. And then if very heavy rain, in that case, 雨がザーザー. Have you heard this word? ザーザー. These are カタカナ. Okay. ザーザー降っています。ザーザー. Yes, you can feel the sound of heavy rain. ザーザー. Okay. 雨がザーザー. Can you say it? 降っています。Alright. So today we build up our vocabulary related to rain. So 雨, and then you can see this kanji character means rain. So 雨です it's rain. 雨が降っています it's raining. 雨がしとしと降っています it's raining gently. 雨がザーザー降っています it's heavy rain. See you next time. さよなら。またね。